Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Green Dot Prepaid Debit Visa Card, and more specifically, we're going to talk about how it works and how this whole setup works. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Green Dot Prepaid Debit Cards, it is one of the more popular prepaid cards on the market right now. And basically, it's a Visa debit card that you prepay and put cash onto it, and then you can use it at various retailers just like you would a regular debit card through a traditional bank. So how does it work? Well, the process is pretty easy. It can be pretty expensive, so we're going to go through that step by step. First off, what you can do is you can go to their website. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there and order one of these cards. Or you can go to a local retailer like I did, like CVS, and then you can buy these little starter packs like what we have right here. So that's the process that I'm going to go ahead and discuss with you. So first what I did is I went to CVS near my house, and I went to their section where they'll sell gift cards and debit cards and gift certificates, things like that. And then you'll see these little packets like this. So they have a lot of these. There's a lot of competitors right now, and you can buy this packet. It's $1.95 for you to purchase this Green Dot temporary card, and this is what I got right here. And then once you buy this little packet, next what you want to do is take this to the register, and if you use a self-pay like what I did, you're just going to scan this barcode here on the back. Once you scan that, then the screen on register is going to say how much would you like to add onto the card. They have a $20 minimum to add onto the card from the initial purchase, so you do need to pay cash for this. So I went ahead and deposited $20 onto this Green Dot card. So once you pay the card, then they're going to give you a receipt. Let me go ahead and show you that receipt. All right, so here's the receipt that I received. It's confirming that I added $20 onto my Green Dot card. Now the Green Dot card has a value of $20, but you can't quite use it yet. You will need to activate the card. Be sure to go back and watch my other video on how to activate your Green Dot prepaid card. And basically, you just need to go onto their website or their app. So I actually downloaded their app. Let me go ahead and open that up right now. It's this green and white one right here. If you don't have it already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But let me go ahead and open that up now. All right, once you open up the app like I have right here, then it would prompt you to activate the card. So in order to activate the card, you do need to enter a lot of personal information like your name, your address, your phone number, because they're going to text message you confirming that's your phone number, your social security number, your date of birth, all of that information along with the information from the back of your prepaid debit card. So do not throw this away once you buy it at the store. You do need this one at least until you get your permanent card. Once you've activated it, then you should have money on your card like I do. So here is the initial funding that I put on there, $20. And once you have that funded, then you are free to use your prepaid Green Dot card at the store. But just make sure you understand the fees that are associated with the Green Dot prepaid card. So let me flip this over right here. And as you can see, the fees are listed right here. So they're going to charge $9.95 per month to have this card. And the first monthly charge will be deducted the first time you use the card, the day after you register the card, or 90 days after card purchase, whichever happens first. So I've already activated it, so they're going to charge me $9.95 tomorrow since I activated it today. So just kind of keep that in mind. That's every month. So of that $20 that I added on there, they're going to take $9.95 tomorrow. Also, if you're going to deposit cash at the register, if you're going to be funding or loading your Green Dot prepaid card, they're going to charge $4.95 for cash deposits. However, if you do mobile deposits, that is free. If you're going to use it at the ATM, they charge $2.50 for withdrawals at a bank or an ATM, and 50 cents for balance inquiries. And also whatever the bank that you go to, their ATM will probably charge you a fee as well. If you need a replacement card, they're going to charge $5. So as you can see, the fees are pretty high for this, but they actually offer a lot of different prepaid debit cards. This is for the 5% cashback Visa debit card. So be sure to check your account to see what your particular fees are. How you do that is you go through the app, and then here on the app home screen, you want to click on account. Once you're here on this screen, go ahead and click on about, legal, and privacy info. I'm going to click there now. Go ahead and click on this screen right here on the top, legal and privacy info. And then next you want to click on deposit account agreement. It's right here at the bottom. I'm going to click there now. All right, and then your account agreement would then pop up on a different screen in the browser, and just scroll all the way down until you get to the fees. It's usually set up in a grid like this one, and it's line number 4. So for this card, it says monthly fee is $7.95 actually, not the $9.95. It's waived when you spend $1,000 or more using your card in the previous monthly period. ATM is $3 per transaction. Balance inquiry is 50 cents. Replacement card's $5. And if you order checks, they're going to charge $5.95 for a pack of 12 checks and foreign transaction fee. So again, these fees could change, so be sure to go through that process, and that way you can check that for yourself. But as long as you've activated, then you would just use it like a typical debit card. So that's basically a quick rundown on how you would use or how to use a Green Dot prepaid debit card. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.